Hi everyone. The University of Alberta Libraries has a really excellent database that they subscribe to that I want to draw your attention to. I think you'll find this is a really valuable resource that not only will I refer to throughout the semester, but that you may want to check out, particularly when you're working on your Illustrator assignment, but also when you're trying to find background information about some of the books that we'll be reading. The resource is called teachingbooks.net, and to access it, you go to the main U of A library page, click on Databases on the left-hand side here, then click on Education, Physical Education, and you have to scroll down quite a ways and find the teachingbooks.net link, which is right here. Click on the link. You'll be prompted to enter your CCID and password, so you do that. Now, you can actually register so that you don't have to go through this process every time. And so if you haven't used it before, you want to click on the button that says to register, click here, do that. I've already registered, so I'm going to click here. And I'm going to sign in with my email. And this is teachingbooks.net. And what basically it is a website, a subscription website, that introduces you to information and resources about various authors and illustrators. And the wonderful thing about it is that it actually aggregates or pulls together resources from a number of different sources. So you can search for a particular author or illustrator, and it will bring a whole bunch of external links and other resources that might be useful to you. So let's search for an author. We'll search for Neil Gaiman. He's one of our authors, and we click on his name, and you can see what some of the results show up as. You get author programs, you get author websites. This is a really cool feature that lets you hear how the author pronounces his or her name. Book guides, which are just that, they're study guides for various books by that author. And book readings, which means either video or audio of the author or illustrator reading his or her book. And then finally at the bottom there are some other links, and in this case they've got some book trailers here. So if you're ever looking for book trailers for a particular title, this would be a good place to come to see what's available. Similarly, you can use the tabs at the top here to just search for those particular things. There's a whole section on book awards, so you can search for that by grade level or by curricular area. You can get thematic book lists, which is fabulous, particularly if you're in education. This is a really fabulous resource so that you can gather resources on a particular theme or subject. The book readings, as I said, are excellent, and you can find all sorts of readings by various authors and illustrators. And then, as I say, the author programs are actually created by Teaching Books to introduce you to an author or an illustrator. So let's quickly, I'm running out of time here. Actually, we'll end here, and I will come back and show you some other things momentarily. So stay tuned for part 2.